हाय फ्रेंड, आज आपण स्टिरियोकेमिस्ट्री ऑफ बायफिनाइल कंपाउंड्स स्टिरियोकेमिस्ट्री ऑफ बायफिनाइल कंपाउंड्स हा पॉइंट्स पाहणार आहे. The biphenyl compounds like two benzene nucleus having the ortho substituents at least three large substituted groups A, B, A, B. These are the biphenyl compounds. Two phenyl rings joined together by one single bonds. The molecule known as biphenyl compounds. The such compounds, it shows isomerisms, optical isomerism, even though they do not contain any chiral centers or any asymmetric carbon atoms. Okay, now see the structure of biphenyl compounds. There is two phenyl nucleus joined together by one single bonds, and there is absence of chiral center. That means carbon bonded four different groups. This carbon called as chiral centers. But in case there is no any chiral carbon atoms, but this molecule shows optical activity due to it gives non-superimposable mirror image of each other. The biphenyl nucleus, these are the orthosubstituted compounds, that is A, B, A, B. These are the large substituent present on the ortho positions. Therefore, the single bonded both rings, the rotation around the single bonds between two phenyl nucleus due to restricted rotation about the single bond is called as atropine isomerisms. ही जी मॉलिक्यूल आहे, या मॉलिक्यूल आपण सिंगल बॉन्डेड ग्रुपला असणाऱ्या एट्रोपाय आयसोमेरिझम आणि जो स्टिरिओ आयसोमेरिझम्स आहे, त्या स्टिरिओ आयसोमेरिझमला आपण म्हणतोय ॲट्रोपाय आयसोमर्स. ओके, की जी ऑप्टिकल ॲक्टिव्हिटी, जसं की आपण म्हणतोय कार्बन बॉन्डेड फोर डिफरंट ग्रुप्स, दे गिव्स नॉन सुपर इम्पोजिबल मिरर इमेज कंपाउंड्स in the biphenyl compounds. Suppose the unsubstituted biphenyl molecules like these are the compounds biphenyl, two benzene nucleus joined together by one single bonds, that is atropine isomerisms. The nature of these two phenyl nucleus joined together by one single bond, the such molecule they are rotate through the single bonds, continuous rotations. Therefore, the isomeric pairs for these such molecules are not possible due to rotation around the single bond. If the rotation of these molecules can be stopped by substituting ortho at least three ortho positions of both nucleus. Okay, ह्या ज्या आर्थो सबस्टिट्यूटेड ग्रुप्स आहेत दोन्ही न्यूक्लियसवरती असणारे, जर समजा आपण ह्या आर्थो सबस्टिट्युएंटला जर इथं लार्जर ग्रुपने आपण जर सबस्टिट्यूट केले, तर हे जे फ्री रोटेशन आहे, फ्री रोटेशन स्टॉप होऊन ह्या मॉलिक्युल्स म्हणजे ह्या दोन्ही न्यूक्लियस जे आहेत ते एकमेकासोबत परपेंडिक्युलर प्लेन्समध्ये येतील, आणि परपेंडिक्युलर प्लेन्समध्ये आल्यामुळे त्यांचे जे रोटेशन स्टॉप होईल, अँड इट गिव्ज नॉन सुपर इम्पोजिबल मिरर इमेज विथ इच अदर, लाईक the molecule like these are the benzene nucleus, both nucleus are on the different plane. Okay. Therefore, the such molecule gives optical isomerisms, that is non-superimposable mirror image with each others. Now see the both ring nature of the both nucleus. The one nucleus is present on the plane and other is out of plane. Therefore, the both nucleus are perpendicular to each others. Therefore, the such molecule gives optical active compounds, optical active isomerisms. Biphenyl compounds, at least 3 of the 4 ortho positions, like these are the ortho positions occupied by a large group, it could be irresolubles, like the molecules. Suppose the ortho substituents, for example, the ortho position must have large substituents like 6 dinitro diphenic acids, compounds like benzene nucleus, these two benzene nucleus, the ortho substituents of both nucleus substituted by large substituents like NO2, NO2, COH, COOH. That is, the both ortho substituents of two phenyl nucleus substituted by the large substituents. Therefore, the free rotation around the single bonds between these two nucleus, these are the stopped. Therefore, the both nucleus are perpendicular to each other like these molecules. Therefore, the such molecule gives optical. ह्या मॉलिक्युल्समध्ये जर पाहिलं तर आपल्याला लक्षात येईल की दोन्ही रिंगवरचे जे आर्थो सबस्टिट्युएंट्स आहेत हे लार्ज सबस्टिट्युएंट आर्थो ज्या पोझिशन्स आहेत ह्या लार्ज सबस्टिट्युएंटनी सबस्टिट्यूट केलेल्या आहेत. त्याच्यामुळे त्यांचं जे नेचर जे आहे, जर समजा सेम प्लेनवरती जर राहिले तर ते जे लार्जर ग्रुप्स आहेत एकमेकाला रिपेल करतील. दॅट इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ रिपल्शन बिटवीन these ortho substituted groups. Therefore, the one ring is inclined with the other ring. Therefore, the one ring is on the plane and other ring is out of the plane. To form both nucleus, they are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, the substituted or the substituents of the nucleus far apart from the each others, and it gives optical active isomerisms. These are the benzene nucleus. Both nucleus substituted with large substituents like COH, NO2, COH, NO2. Okay, the both nucleus, there is a restriction rotation between single bond stopped due to presence of large substituents. Okay, large substituent. Therefore, this molecule shows optical active isomerisms. These are the substituents. The large substituent present on the ortho positions. Therefore, the molecule, both nucleus, they are perpendicular each other. Therefore, it gives optical active compounds, that is optical active isomerisms, that is non-superimposable mirror image compounds. If you have taken mirror image of the molecules, like NO2, the ortho substituent COOH. These are the NO2, COOH. In here, the substituents like they are far apart from each other due to now see the structure of this both phenyl substituted phenyl nucleus. In here the rings are inclined to each other due to steric repulsion effect of the other group in the ortho positions. Now see the nature of the ortho substituents. These are the COH, NO2, COH, NO2. These are the larger groups. Therefore, the repulsion take place between these two groups. Therefore, these groups manage to far apart from each other. Their both nucleus are approximately perpendicular to the each others. At that times, there is a rotation between the single bonds are stopped and these molecules gives optical active isomerism, absence of any chiral center, as well as no any element of symmetry. Therefore, the such molecule gives optical active isomerisms. Gives non-super impossible mirror image with each other. Therefore, these are the optically active molecules. Optically active isomers or molecules due to restricted rotation between single bond. Some other examples like benzene nucleus, at least there are the ortho substituent at least 3 larger substituents COH, these are again optical active molecules. Then the another examples like benzene nucleus, the ortho substituents of the benzene nucleus may be that is NH2, COH, NH2, COH. These again optical active form. Okay, it give optical active isomerisms due to presence of larger substituents. Therefore, rotation between single bond is stopped and this molecule gives non-superimposable mirror image. Therefore, it gives such molecules. So these are the optically inactive form due to there are only two ortho substituents. Therefore, the rotation of the single bond between these two nucleus there is possible. Therefore, these molecules are optically inactive form. Okay. Then one another examples. These are the optically inactive. The both phenyl nucleus, the substituted with substituents that is COH, NO2, COH, Cl. These again the optically inactive form. There is rotation between single bonds could not stop. Therefore, these molecules are optically inactive molecules. That is superimposable mirror image with each others. Therefore, these are again optically the example of optically inactive form.